Hey, good morning. Love to hover here. Welcome back to the range. Today I have a special treat. I've got the Staccato 2011 9mm pistol. And I also, just for comparison purposes, I have my Rock Island Armory 1911, which again, 1911 is the original single stack. In this case, this one is a 45 ACP. However, the new pistol here, the Staccato double stack 9mm, can hold either 20 plus 1 or 17 plus 1, depending on which magazine you're using. The Staccato, again, this was a top of the line pistol. These go for somewhere in the vicinity of $2,400, and I believe if you order it, it takes several months to have it delivered. On this one that I borrowed for the review here, has the RMR sight, suppressor height sights. Also enables you to see the sights through the RMR sight. It does have a flared magwell, and of course the one thing that makes the 2011 and 1911 pistols great for the accuracy is the single action with the excellent trigger. So we'll get right to it, do a little bit of shooting here, and we'll let you check it out. Thanks for doing shots. I'll start from the low ready. And just to show you, there's the red dot. You can also see the green fiber optic front sight. And to show you the pistol has been safety checked and it's empty. Couple things that you will notice here. There is the flared magazine well, which helps to ease the loading of the magazine. And this one is also carrying the Surefire flashlight, and it's got IR and a laser on it as well, I believe. But we'll get to doing a little shooting and we'll check it out. Pretty good, great trigger, and seems to be accurate. Excellent trigger. So this is not necessarily a gun that everybody wants to put out the money for. It is pretty expensive. It's definitely not a budget gun, but it is just a treat to shoot. It's very smooth. A couple things you'll notice with the differences here. You don't have that barrel bushing around like you do with the original 1911 45. Of course, this one has a threaded barrel on it with the 9mm. They got a few more rounds loaded up to try for some of the further out targets, down to about 35 out to 60 yards with this. And we'll see if we can hear the steel ring when I shoot. Here we go. There we go. All right, so I got one hit at 65 yards, and the other one was at the 35-yard target. Again, excellent trigger on this thing.